And this is thematic gallery introduces individual themes concerning the first. Two large video walls can showcase video and photographs related to different events and themes, and also Museum 25th Anniversary of Hong Kong. Serious Crime Gallery presents a selection of Hong Kong's landmark crime cases from the past and short films that helps bring the shocking scenes back to life, enabling you to understand how the detectives persisted in solving each case.
CID use this.
Quite interesting, but I don't understand the Chinese words.
Well, but can you have English?
Okay, can watch.
If you want to know another English,
But I want to find this page. Yeah. Okay, I watch for. Thank you. My superior. Okay,
and then you can only take this photo. When the arrest, police will take every Coombe's photo.
Here.
In the police.
The police station.
This sample.
Okay. Yeah. So this is my case.
Yeah.
Number 6.
The case is 6875.
6575.
Yeah.
So, ito yung sample kapag may cases ka, tas kinukuhanan ka ng pictures para dito sa area nito kung ikaw ay wanted or what. So, wag naman sana mangyari in the future. So, yan ang nangyari dito sa akin. So, yung monitor na to pinakikita yung mga nangyayari before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sa totoong nangyayari. At ito nga yung pinakikita dito. Yung mga pistol nila, grenade. Forensic grenade. And this is Porce's century-old map. Takes you on a journey through over a century of the force's history in a time machine and showcases the major events and police stories from different eras of the force animation. So napakaganda naman talaga ng pagkakagawa nitong force's century-old map. And this is orientation gallery in the largest exhibition hall in the museum. Exhibits are displayed in chronological order or by police work. Stream of reflect important historical moments and developments of the force. Assist you some of the stuff also in explain to you everything what you want to know about this police museum, about the exhibit. So, we are then here in the police museum. At, naglalakad na tayo ngayon patungo sa bus stations para sa pag-uwi natin. So, habang tayo ay naglalakad din dito sa area na ito, ay marami ka pa rin makikitang mga sightseeing, like yung mga mga playground dyan. Maganda rin sana siyang daanan, kaso mawala na rin tayo yung time. Balikan na lang. Opening hours nila ay 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday. Remember, Tuesday to Sunday. And also, the museum is closed on Mondays. And the most important is the entrance is free to the public. Pero, need mong magpa-booking din para pagpunta mo doon is okay ka nang pumasok. And then also need to bring your leave home para for your 19 pandemic, yes, the record. So syempre na-explain na natin yung nasa nakikita natin dyan, at napakaganda naman talaga. So pwede kang maglakad din doon sa Police Museum ng paakyat, tapos kuha kayo ng pictures, at marami kayong makikita talaga sa area na ito. Quite small, but syempre marami naman tayong matututunan, kagaya ng ating mga nakita na rin sa loob mismo ng Police Museum. So yeah, and thank you so much guys sa pagsama ninyo muli sa akin. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell always para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga video sa susunod pa na mapupuntahan natin, na very interesting talaga, para matutunan natin muli ang mga historical ng mga China. Good job.